In the wake of rising cases, the state government of Tamil Nadu has issued a modified COVID guideline. Tamil Nadu has directed for mandatory 7-day home quarantine for people coming from Maharashtra and Kerala. The state government has also made it mandatory for international passengers to produce negative COVID report. Let me go across to Mirna correspondent Mugilan joining me on the phone line. Okay, Mugilan is live with us right now. Mugilan, over to you. Give us an understanding and the details of the fresh COVID guideline in order to ensure that the spread of COVID-19 is restricted in Tamil Nadu. What are the new laws or new rules rather that have now come into force?
Now the Tamil Nadu state government have issued modified guidelines for the travelers who come to Tamil Nadu. So as per the new guidelines that has been issued by the Tamil Nadu Health Department, it has categorically stated that the people who come from the states of Maharashtra and Kerala have to undertake 7 days home quarantine and more importantly another 7 days of self-observation. That is, during that next 7-day period, if they have any symptoms related to COVID, they should get tested for COVID infection. And more importantly, for the international travels, it has stated that the international travelers who land here in Chennai should produce a negative certificate, COVID negative certificate, which was taken 72 hours before. And more importantly, for the passengers who come from Europe, Middle East, and other United Kingdom, Brazil, and South African countries, if they tested positive, they will be taken to a special ward here in a hospital where the COVID patients are treated, and their samples will be sent for genome testing, is what the new modified guideline states as per the Tamil Nadu Health Department. And more importantly, so far there is no containment zones here in the state of Tamil Nadu or especially here in Chennai, but now the new modified guidelines very clearly states if 3 index cases are found in an area or 3 families found in a particular area, that area will be demarcated as a containment zone, is what we are hearing from the health department's new guidelines.
Okay, thanks Mugilan for joining us with that fresh update. Let's cut across now to West Bengal. BJP chief JP